My name is Jamie McLennan, and I'm the Principal Development Manager for SQL Server Analysis Services, and also the author of Data Mining with SQL Server 2005 and Data Mining with SQL Server 2008. This video will help you get started with the Data Mining Table Analysis Tools add-in for Excel by showing you how to open the tools, use the sample Excel data, and connect to an analysis services server. The table analysis tools are a simple and familiar way to access the power of SQL Server 2008 data mining and generate friendly and actionable reports, whether you are a data mining expert or a novice. Excel itself is not doing the mining. The data mining is performed on an analysis services server, and the results are returned to your Excel worksheet. To help you learn the tools, Microsoft provides several pre-populated Excel worksheets. In order to complete these tutorials, you'll also need an installation of SQL Server 2008 Analysis Services, Excel 2007, and the free Microsoft Excel Data Mining add-ins download. The first thing we're going to do is open the example Excel workbook. Go to the Start menu and select Microsoft SQL Server 2008 Data Mining add-ins and then the sample Excel data worksheet. For the purposes of following along with these tutorials, follow these steps to open Excel with the sample data workbook included. All examples in this tutorial are based on this workbook. Let's familiarize ourselves with the introduction worksheet. This worksheet describes the tabs and worksheets included with your download. For the purpose of the table analysis tools, you'll be using the table analysis tools sample worksheet, the forecasting worksheet, the fill from example worksheet, and also the last worksheet, which is the associate worksheet, which is used for the shopping basket tool. Let's click on the Table Analysis Tool sample and open that worksheet. It contains an entire set of data about a fictitious bike company named AdventureWorks. This worksheet combines data about customers with sales history of purchases. The last column, Purchased Bike, is an important one, and we will be using it often in these tutorials. You will use this and other sample AdventureWorks data with the Excel add-ins tutorials. Clicking in the table changes your ribbon. Because you installed the data mining add-ins, you now have a Table Tools menu heading with two options, Analyze and Design. In order to work with these data and the data mining table analysis tools, you must define your data as an Excel table. In the supplied worksheet, the data is already formatted as a table. When you begin working with your own data, you will need to format it as a table. Here is a worksheet I created that is not formatted as a table. Notice that the table tools are not available. In order to use the data mining table analysis tools, I first select the cells that I'm interested in. Then I click Format as Table, select a style, check my table as headers, and then click OK. Notice that I now have the Table Tools heading and begin working with the data mining Excel add-ins. Let's take a closer look at the table analysis tools. If it is not showing already, in your menu bar, select Table Tools, Analyze. The Table Analysis Tools ribbon will show to display the data mining tools. Each of these will be covered in future tutorials. Notice the Help button at the end of the ribbon. The Help button provides access to the documentation included with the add-ins, as well as the Getting Started wizard and online tutorials. Before you can start using these tools, you must connect to an analysis services server. The Connection button allows you to create and manage connections to analysis services server and database. This connection is required before you can run any of the table analysis tools. If you opened the sample data and completed the wizard, you may already be connected to the data mining add-ins database, so if so, you can skip ahead. To set up a connection to analysis service, click on the Connection button on the ribbon, which brings up the Analysis Services Connection dialog. In the dialog, click the New button to create a new connection. Here you specify the name of the server to which you are connecting and a database that will hold the models you create. You can also specify a friendly name for the connection that will be displayed in the ribbon when you are connected. For the server name, type the name provided to you by your administrator or the name of the machine where you installed analysis services. Also, you need to specify the catalog or the database which you have access to create data mining models. In this case, I will specify data mining add-ins DB, and then optionally I can change the friendly name of the database, which is the name that will be displayed in the ribbon. And then click OK. And then close the Analysis Services Connections dialog, and the connection name and status display in the connection ribbon. You can open the sample Excel data, connect to analysis services, and understand how to access the table analysis tools. You're ready to start using the data mining add-ins for Excel. For additional help with the table analysis tools, I recommend viewing the other table analysis tool video tutorials and visiting books online. Thank you for viewing this tutorial.